Your question is the joint session of both houses of parliament is presided over by. Your options are A. President, B. Vice President, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, or D. Chief Justice of India. Right answer is C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Your question is consider the following statements. 1. The joint sitting of both houses of the parliament in India is sanctioned under Article 108 of the Constitution. 2. The first joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha was held in the year 1961. 3. The second joint sitting of both houses of Indian Parliament was held to pass the Banking Service Commission Repeal Bill. Which of the statements is or are correct? Your options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, or D 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is D 1, 2 and 3. The joint sitting of both houses of the parliament in India is sanctioned under Article 108 of the Constitution. The first joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha was held in the year 1961. The second joint sitting of both the houses of Indian parliament was held to pass the Banking Service Commission Repeal Bill. Your question is who among the following is authorized to preside over the joint session of the parliament? Your options are A. President of India, B. Vice President of India, C. Prime Minister of India, or D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Your question is the first joint meeting of both houses of the Indian Parliament was held in connection with. Your options are A. Dowry Abolition Bill, B. Hindu Code Bill, C. Bank Nationalization Bill, or D. Gold Control Bill. Right answer is A. Dowry Abolition Bill. Your question is a deadlock between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha calls for a joint sitting of the parliament during the passage of 1. Ordinary legislation, 2. Money Bill, 3. Constitution Amendment Bill. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A. Only 1, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is A. Only 1. Ordinary legislation. Your question is the joint sitting of both houses of Indian Parliament is held in connection with. Your options are A. Constitution Amendment Bill, B. Money Bill, C. Ordinary Bill, or D. Election of the Vice President of India. Right answer is C. Ordinary Bill. Your question is which of the following expression is appropriate regarding the message to call joint sitting of both houses under Article 108 of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Intention of President, B. Direction of President, C. Wisdom of President, or D. Consent of President. Right answer is A. Intention of President. Your question is what will be happened if President summons for the joint session of Parliament and in the meantime Lok Sabha dissolved? Your options are A. Joint session will be held in scheduled time, B. Joint session will be cancelled, C. Joint session will be held after composition of new Lok Sabha, or D. Bill will be lapsed. Right answer is A. Joint session will be held in scheduled time. Your question is a legislative bill may be introduced in which house of parliament? Your options are A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. Either house of parliament, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Either house of parliament. Your question is with reference to the Parliament of India, consider the following statements. 1. A private member's bill is a bill presented by a member of parliament who is not elected but only nominated by the President of India. 2. Recently, a private member's bill has been passed in the Parliament of India for the first time in its history. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. Only 1, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2.